My name's Diane Moore, and I'm the marketing manager here at Rockway Vineyards. Rockway Vineyards is a really special business because we have 3 offerings at one unique destination: golf, wine, and dine. But beyond that, we also do events, from weddings to private functions to corporate retreats. So it's kind of a unique business and one of only a couple in all of Canada like this. So Rockway Vineyards started actually as Rockway Glen Golf Course way back in 1991. And it all started with a farmer who just wanted to make his own golf course. So he teamed up with a businessman, and together they started the golf course. And 10 years later, the owner, the original owner, and the golf superintendent decided they wanted to make wine. And today we have Simone Ardeel as our winemaker, and she is very, very good at what she does. She's young and she's full of innovation, and already, this being her very first vintage, she has won an award.
My name is Simone Ardeel, and I am the winemaker here at Rockway Vineyards. My vision for Rockway is to produce wines showcasing our great vineyard in pursuit of excellence, and to further continue the evolution of quality in both the vineyard and winery. Here we strive to produce the best fruit from the vineyard, nurture it, and encapsulate the flavors in the wine, and present what is grown in our vineyards in our bottles.
One of the things we are most proud of here at Rockway Vineyards is our Rockway Gives Back initiative. And that's where we really focus on contributing back to the community that we live in. We want to show our appreciation for being able to have this business here in Lincoln. And so we partner with nonprofits to do things like food drives, or we partner with the Fergie Jenkins Foundation to give back through some of our wines. The profits go back to that foundation, and they support thousands of nonprofits throughout North America. In addition, we also have our Pink Ribbon Rosé, and that one we donate 10% of all the sales right back to breast cancer research and support programs here in Canada. Those are just a few of the things we do with Rockway Gives Back, and I think that is what we are most proud of here.